Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. I have an order at 38.50 here for a call option. I'm going to change that to 37.70 now. I am looking to do options here. If you have no idea what I mean by that, let me know in the comment section. Just put option guide, and I'll link you to a free guide I put together called The Big Basics of Options. And I'll walk you through a simplified approach to all this. Options can be very complicated, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be complicated, and I take more of a simplified approach. All right, I'm going to try now at 38.50. Yeah, go down 37.50 now. I will pause. I'll keep you updated. Okay, maybe here. And I'm at 37.50. Getting close. Oh, so close. I got to go to 37 now. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 36.50. I'm going to go to 35.70 now. All right, I will pause. All right, maybe here. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 34.70 for a call. All right, I will pause. Keep a close eye on it though. Okay, I moved it down to 34.10. Actually, 33.50 looks like it'll be the more accurate one. Looking to try to play it off the purple line there. So let's see it come down some more. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe here. Although I don't like how those spreads are tightening up. I'm going to change strike prices. Go to 42.50. So again, I just changed strike prices. That's why the price of the options contracts changed. Okay, gonna go for 43 now. Wow, just doesn't want to fill me there. All right, I'll pause. And there's the bounce. So that's discouraging. I nailed the bottom. I was on the best bid. Problem is, if you nail the bottom, but you don't get filled, then nailing the bottom, it doesn't do you much good. And that's just exactly what happened there. All right, I'll pause. We're going to go for a put here at 34.50. So I am filled on a put at 34.50. And out for a nice $50 move there. So quick little scalp. I might try it again. All right, I'll keep a close eye on it, but there we go. Starting off, nice $50 bill. All right, going to try for a call here at 47.50. Might have been too late. I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 43.50 for a put. Needs to come up a bit more. Okay, gonna have to go to 42.50 now. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 41.50 for a put. Thinking the more accurate spot is 42 though, so let's move my order up to 42. And look, right now I'm warning of being too late to things. All right, I will pause. All right, gonna try for a call here at 43.50. No, don't like how it's just sitting there, not filling me. Yep, definitely glad I didn't cancel that out. Very good. So down around 437, I'd be interested in a call. I will go ahead and pause for now. All right, going to try for, got those at $40. Calls, that is. Gonna have calls at 40. All right, now there was just spike to the downside. I don't know what's going on here. Well, you know, I guess in hindsight, a little greedy. I was going for $100 and I could have gotten 50 several times, but I wanted that $100. I didn't get it, and now I'm stuck in this mess. I'd like to see some sort of bounce here. I'm no longer looking to make a gain on this trade. If I can minimize the loss, though, that would be ideal. So out for a $100 loss. Well, greed certainly cost me on that one. Now, to be fair, I am judging myself in hindsight. right? Had I gotten that $100, had I gotten that move in my favor where I'm walking away with $100, I'd be saying, hey, I made the right choice. But I will say this: if you've ever wondered, Clay, why do you go for the $50? Oh, you know, right there, that would have been a winning trade right now. I'd be up $100, 50 and 50, but instead I'm now down $50. But also a good example on why you don't want to panic out of things. So I didn't panic out, had to go for loss control mode and take the $100 loss on that one. So yeah. Did greed cost me in that one? Yes, in hindsight, but that's also a good, I think, example of, hey, Clay, why do you usually just go for those $50 scalps right there? Because I would have easily had the $50 move, but the $100 one, obviously, you're asking need to go in your favor that much more, and it just didn't work out. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 39.10 for a call, but came down, got somewhat close, and is now bouncing, so never mind for now. Have an order at 41 here for a put. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 49.10. For a call. Okay, in 49.10. Again, in at 49.10. And out for, well, that's what we call it, getting played like a fiddle. So I was going for $90, and then I was having flashbacks like, wait a second, Clay, last time you did this, things didn't quite work out well. So bit of a bit of recency effect. So then I just went, all right, let's just go down to 50. I did get the 50, but then you'll see as soon as I got filled, boop, would have easily given me that $90 I was looking for plus more. But I mean, the plus more doesn't count because I was never going for plus more. I was just going for that $90. Well, so there we have, that's what we call getting played like a fiddle. I'll go ahead and pause. I have an order at 44.50 here for a put. No, I don't think that's quite the right spot. Let's go to 43.50 instead. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 40.50 for a put. Got close, not quite. See if it wants to go on another push. Once again, close. Okay, at this point, it looks like if I'm gonna go to 39.70 now. All right, I'll pause. That was it. Notice how it pulled back. Just didn't have my entry point quite at the right spot. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 39.10. See if the price wants to come up just a tad bit more. And I'm at 39.10. Okay, there we up close. Got to go to 38.50 though at this point. That was Okay, now that it's looking like 39.50 could be suitable. And trying to play a put here. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, maybe. It's getting jumpy. All right. Jumping to the point where it feels like it could make a jolty move to the upside. So I'm going to just err on the side of caution here. I'm at 37.50. I'll pause. At 48.50 now. What's up with these spreads? I'm up in the 40s and it's still only 50 cents. Okay, I'll pause. Okay, gonna try 48.20. In there, 48.20 for a put. And at 48.20, and my son is bellowing. Come on, just get me out so I can go get him. Come on. Come on. My newborn is crying just to get out. Oh my goodness. This is literally garbage action. Yeah. Yeah, I hear him. I hear him. I'll be out in a couple minutes. No, because you're sick. Let's see what it wants to do. Did not film even though I was sitting right there. So I can get one here at 45.50. Got that. See if we can get a bit of a pullback here. I don't hear my son anymore, so that's good. Maybe that was him yelling, "Just get out, Dad, just get out. Don't go for the 50 bucks, just get out." Try for some at 43 here. Maybe some at 44.50. Okay, got those. Got those. So let's see this thing come down here. At 44.50 for my first exit, and it got close. See if it wants to give it another try. I'm at 44.50. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe here for a second, 50 flashed on the offer. All right, I'll pause. Okay, for a second was at 44.50. I'll go ahead and pause. Oh, sorry about that. For again, it flashed very, see what I mean right there? Okay, 44.50, can it, nope. There we are at 50 again. Nope. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, maybe here. There we go, got those out at 50. Got those out at 80. long enough in here. So a whole lot for 70 bucks. So again, played like a fiddle. Yeah, even now. I was watching that area right there. Let me bring it up. And you can see it broke. And that's where I was giving it time. I was giving it time because at this point, okay, finally that stubborn level has been broken. So let's see some continuation. And I got a little bit. But as you see now, look at that. So, I mean, I'm glad I got out where I did. I'm glad I locked in some gains, but whew, what a nasty move. Again, blue line. Bounce, 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 bounce. Finally broke a little bit of red. Here we go. I held on. I still had 4. I was trying to let this thing start to come down, and then it started to misbehave. That's why I got out. And just like that, up it goes. So in hindsight, I played that one just fine. I played that one exactly how it needed to be played because I would have been stopped out of my position for a loss. Wow. So actually, no, that one tried to play me like a fiddle, but it didn't. So I won't be too harsh on myself. The other one, yeah, I got played like a fiddle. That one tried to, but did not succeed. So a little of the rest of the story here as I've let more hindsight. So think about how bad this one would have actually played me. So there is a fake breakdown, would have come out, stopped me out, acted like I want to get strong, and then rolled back over. To still not be I mean, it would have been not bad at all. But, you know, had I gotten this move on that move back here, which is what I was looking for, then yeah, that would have been a very, very nice trade. But instead, broke down, came out, would have stopped me out, then would have done it, and I'd be having a very, very miserable day, needless to say. So yeah, sometimes the market can be that cruel. And yeah, I've been caught in those moments where you don't quite get it, and then you get stopped out, and then it goes in your favor, and you're just, you know, at that point you look for something to throw across the room. But in this situation, I'm glad that I played it right there and just had to get out. In fact, I took a loss on my final position. Yeah, when I sold those for 44.30, that was a loss. So I did ultimately take a small loss on that position size, but all the other ones gave me a gain, which is what he, you know, gave me a little bit of money in my pocket. But there is the rest of the story. Have an order at 40.50. Okay, did not hit that, so let's go to 39.50. Did not get filled there either, so let's go to 38.50. I'm looking for one of these surges to $17, so 2, yeah. Yeah, I like 38.50. All right, let's see if it wants to make another push up to that blue line. I will pause. Have an order at 39.70. I'll pause. Have an order at 37.10 here for a call. Go to 36.50 now. And I'm at 36.50. All right, I will pause. Okay, I just made a mistake. I am in at 43 and out for $50. I meant to type in an order, not where I actually got in at. So luck was on my side there a little bit. I meant to try to get in at 41 and I got in at 42.50. But when I was looking at the level twos, it looked like I was okay. So that's why I just threw in, 43 instead of trying to get it up break even. And as you saw, as fast as I entered in my order to sell, I was already out. But yeah, that was a mistake. I won't try to play that off. All right, I'll pause. I have an order at 49.50 here for a call. I'll keep a close eye on it, but I'll pause. Okay, maybe something here. In at 49.50. Not exactly what I was hoping for. See what it wants to do. All right, I'll pause for now. Okay, maybe a bit of a move here. So break even on that one. Well, tried. Did not work out. Didn't need to panic out for a loss or anything like that. I'm totally quarterback trading right now, hindsight trading. But I think I should probably add another one. And had I added, that would have been fantastic. All right, I'll pause. So break even on. The thing is, I wanted to wait to 47.50 anyways. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 47.50 here. I'm going to cancel that out now at this point. All right, never mind. Have an order at 44.50. Nope. Try to get it. Would not fill me, so I'm dropping down to 43.50 now. If you scroll back and look on the level 2s, you'll see I was best bid, but it just didn't want to fill me. All right, I'll pause. All right, that's going to go ahead and wrap things up. If you're still here right now, we are friends as far as I'm concerned, over 30 minutes long. So if you're actually still here, just type friends in the comment box so I know which one of you are like hardcore dedicated subscribers or followers. So like I said, comment section, type friends if you're still here. But a wild day. From fake moves to potential moves to recency effects to almost getting filled. I mean, we had a good variety of everything. And with commissions, I'm closing up right around $100, give or take a little bit. So given the wildness of today, I'll just be grateful for it and look to make better better money, on future days. But that's all I have for you. If you enjoy these videos, hit that like button, like I said, leave a comment below. And especially if you're still here right now, make sure to just type friends down in the comment section. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.